Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are studying well. Okay, students, here I come again with the exercise of lesson 2, the mountain tail. Okay, students, today we are going to do sum it up. Given below are two summaries of the story. Tick the correct one. Here we can see two paragraphs. This is the summary of chapter 2. One is correct and another one is wrong. So we have to find out the correct one. So summary 1, let's read. Once upon a time, there was a tall mountain. It was so tall that its peak stuck out in the sky all by itself. It had many friends. Oh, it's wrong summary because the mountain had few friends. So this one is wrong. Summary 2. Once upon a time, there was a tall mountain. It was so tall that its peak stuck out in the sky all by itself. It had few friends. Yes, it had few friends. Only the clouds around its peak were its friends. In summer, the sun was very hot and the land below became very dry. There were no clouds in the sky. The mountain felt very lonely and it cried. The tears flowed down like rivers onto the plain. The plain became fresh and green again. It thanked the mountain and became its friend. So this is correct one. Summary 2 is correct. Now turn the next page. Tick the correct answers. The mountain was lonely because it was the tallest mountain in the world, was alone in the blue sky, had no friends. You will say that ma'am all are correct क्योंकि हमें ऑप्शन देखने से लगता है ना कि सारे ऑप्शंस करेक्ट हैं. बट द क्वेश्चन इज माउंटेन वॉज लोनली. माउंटेन अकेला था. क्यों था? बिकॉज ही हैड नो फ्रेंड्स. जब हमारे फ्रेंड्स नहीं होते देन वी फील लोनली. द माउंटेन वॉज लोनली बिकॉज इट हैड नो फ्रेंड. It had no friends. In the summer, the mountain felt very sad because the sun shone long and hard. It was very hot. It missed the clouds. Mountain felt very sad because it missed the clouds. The sky's children had gone to where fluffy clouds had gone to the kingdom of winter. The sky told the mountain that it should fly like a cloud. The clouds were no longer allowed to play with it. Mountains are very heavy and always stay in the same place. What did sky tell the mountain? The sky told the mountain that mountains are heavy and always stay in the same place. The mountain helped the plain by giving it water, making it laugh, becoming its friend. The mountain helped the plain by giving it water. Mountain ने plain को कैसे help किया था? Giving it water. Think and answer. What message do you think the story gives us? Tick the correct answer. Story से हमें क्या message मिला है? It is good to cry. रोना अच्छी बात है? No. योर फ्रेंड्स कैन मेक यू फील लोनली. आपके फ्रेंड्स आपको लोनली फील करवाते हैं? नो. इट इज़ ईजी टू फाइंड अ फ्रेंड. येस. इफ़ वी आर गुड इन नेचर वी कैन ईजीली फाइंड अ फ्रेंड. नेक्स्ट इज अ वर्कशीट. प्ले विद वर्ड्स. फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विद वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. हेयर आर सम वर्ड्स गिवन इन द बॉक्स. ऑर्डर्ड, whined, exclaimed, offered, asked, wait. First of all, I am going to tell you the meaning of all these words. First is ordered. Ordered Everybody knows that when we tell somebody to do something, जब हम किसी को कुछ काम करने के लिए कहते हैं, that is called order. Bring me a glass of water. Please do this for me. Hind. The pronunciation, this word is hind. WHINED. It means when we complain about something and sometimes we get angry and we complain, that situation is called whined. Exclaimed. To say something loudly, angrily, excitedly, surprisingly, happily, sadly, that is called exclaimed. Offered. To ask if somebody would like something, कि किसी को हम अगर किसी को हेल्प की ज़रूरत है हमारी, या किसी को फूड ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो किसी को भी विलिंगली कोई चीज़ हम जब ऑफ़र करते हैं, दैट सिचुएशन इज़ कॉल्ड ऑफर्ड. आस्क्ड. आज सबको पता है जब हम किसी से कुछ पूछते हैं. वेल्ड. चैप्टर में भी आपने रीड किया है. वेल्ड मीन्स क्राइड, क्राइंग, क्राई करना. फर्स्ट इज nobody and nothing needs me. The mountain wailed. Mountain cried that nobody and nothing needs me. I don't like this food. I don't want to eat it. Maya whined. माया कितना मतलब रूडली बोल रही है. आई डोंट लाइक दिस फूड, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू ईट. सो इस सेंटेंस को रीड करके हमें पता चलता है कि माया इज एंग्री. माया whined. Get me a glass of water. The man dashed rudely. The man ordered rudely. अगर होता कि प्लीज़ गेट मी ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर तो पोलाइटली होता ना यहाँ पे. Get me a glass of water. The man ordered rudely. I can help you with your homework if you want. Rajesh offered. कि राजेश ऑफर कर रहा है कि मैं आपका होमवर्क करने में आपकी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. I can help you with your homework if you want. What is the time? Now the sign of question mark. What is the time? Grandfather asked. The last one is, look at the puppy chasing its own tail. The child exclaimed with delight. Here is the sign of exclamation. Delight means happy. The child is happy to see the puppy chasing its own tail. The puppy is trying to chase its own tail. यानी जो पपी है जो अपनी ही टेल को चेज कर रहा है. So the child is happy. Here is the sign of exclamation. Find words from the story in this word search. Use them to fill in the blanks. This is very interesting work. You can do it your own. Like world. Here is world. Plane. Plane. You have to find out the words. Turn the next page. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun. From second standard you are doing nouns, and in third standard you have done common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Common noun, general name of thing, person and place. Common nouns to talk about people, places or things. We do not write a common noun with a capital letter. We never write common noun with capital letter. Like see here, the mountain was lonely without his friends. Mountain is common noun, M is small, friends, F is small. The clouds had gone away. Clouds, C is small. The names of specific people, places and things are called proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. The highest mountain in the world is the Everest in the Himalayas. Arjun is Gita's brother. Arjun is proper noun, Gita proper noun, Himalayas, Everest all are proper noun. So, we have written first letter in capital. Okay students, you can see the difference between mountain. Mountain is common noun. We don't know the exact name of mountain कि हम किस माउंटेन की बात कर रहे हैं. Now here we are talking about Everest. So we have a specific name of a mountain. Okay, I am giving you a simple example. Like if I call boy come here. पूरी क्लास में से मैं किसी बच्चे को कॉल करती हूँ, हे बॉय कम हेयर. तो किसको पता कि मैम किसको कॉल कर रहे हैं? वी डोंट नो कि मैम ने अभी नेम तो नहीं लिया, किसको कॉल कर रहे हैं. इफ़ आई से रोहित कम हेयर, नाउ आई हैव अ स्पेसिफिक नेम. तो पूरी क्लास में से रोहित ही आएगा मेरे पास, क्योंकि मैंने एक स्पेसिफिक नेम दिया है अब कि रोहित आप मेरे पास आओ. सो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन. आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल. आई स्टडी इन स्कूल. In which school I am studying? I am studying in AGS. AGS is the specific name of school. So, I hope you understood the common noun and proper noun. Now, collective noun. Collective noun is a word used for groups of people, places or things. We have done it before that gang of thieves, flock of sheep, herd of cattle, bunch of grapes. So many collective nouns we have done in previous class and in this class. Worksheet. Work in pairs. Match the clues with the common nouns. A stretch of flat land. That is called plain. The topmost point of a mountain. Peak. Water that falls from the sky. Rain. Something you lay on the floor in a room. कारपेट. कारपेट को आप फ्लोर पे स्प्रेड करते हो ना. समथिंग यू ले ऑन द फ्लोर इन अ रूम. कारपेट. कारपेट को आप फ्लोर पे बिछाते हो. ले ऑन द फ्लोर इट मीन्स कि आप उसको फ्लोर पे बिछाते हो. कारपेट. अ पर्सन यू प्ले विद एंड लाइक बीइंग विद फ्रेंड. Complete the sentences with the correct collective nouns from the box. You will not need all the words. Here are some collective nouns: swarm, band, bag, committee, pride, herd, basket, crowd, family, flock. The dash of young musicians played for 3 hours. We have to complete the sentences with correct collective noun. Band of musicians. A swarm of bees has made its home in a tree in our backyard. Backyard means जो हमारे घर के पीछे का आंगन होता है, that is called backyard. A herd of cattle is grazing in the field. A herd of cattle. There are 4 people in my family. We saw a pride of lions in the national park. Pride of lions. A crowd gathered around the magician. A crowd. crowd होता है लोगों की भीड़ होती है. लोगों की भीड़ को हम क्या कहते हैं? Crowd. A crowd of people. Next is work in pairs. Match the collective nouns in box A with the words in box B to make as many combinations as possible. Follow the example given below. Pack, herd, flock, basket, team, bunch. First is flock of sheep, flock of birds. Bunch, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of keys. Look here, bananas are in plural form. But जब ये bunch में होते हैं तो हम इनको singular count करते हैं. A bunch of bananas. Group is a singular noun. A bunch of bananas, a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes. A team of players, a herd of cattle, a pack of cards, a basket of fruit. So students, you have to write all the work in your book. Students, this was your exercise of chapter 2. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye bye.